Container loading is one of the last steps in your export line that still depends heavily on manual labor. In this video, I will show you a dual-arm robot system that loads up to 1,000 boxes per hour, navigates itself inside the container, and requires no human involvement once it starts. I'm the digital avatar of Jacky Lim. He is a professional engineer and has been in the industry for over 20 years. While Jacky is busy working with manufacturers on the ground, he created me to deliver the practical guidance he experienced himself. Before the robot loads a single box, the operator imports the shipment order into the planning software. The system automatically generates the stack layout based on the box dimensions and container size. A digital twin simulation then shows the operator exactly how the container will be filled layer by layer. The operator confirms and the robot starts. No manual stack design, no guesswork. The system sits inside the container on a wheeled frame. That wheelbase gives it an extra axis of movement so it drives in and out as the load builds up. Before loading starts, the operator selects SKU using the interface. Different patterns can be set for each layer. Changeover to a different box size takes a single button press on the same screen. The system picks 2 boxes per cycle at a stacking accuracy of plus or minus 10 millimeters. That level of precision, cycle after cycle, is something manual loading simply cannot match. The system handles box sizes from 300 up to 580 millimeters in length, so manufacturers with multiple product lines do not need a separate setup for each SKU. This view shows the result of consistent placement. As a professional engineer, the number I look at here is stacking accuracy and cycle speed. At plus or minus 10 millimeters per placement, repeated across 800 or more boxes, the load stays stable and compact. Using a box size of 350 by 350 by 500 millimeters as a working example, this system fills a standard 40-foot container with approximately 816 boxes in around 51 minutes. The robot repositions itself autonomously using laser navigation as the stack grows deeper into the container. No operator needs to follow it in. Look at the base of the unit. It moves on rubber tracks, not wheels. Inside a container floor that may be uneven or slightly sloped, track movement gives the system far more stable footing than a wheeled base. The system is rated to work inside trucks and containers from 9.6 meters up to 17.5 meters long, so it is not limited to one container type. One setup covers your entire fleet. The robot unit itself is built around a dual arm system mounted on a tracked chassis. Each arm carries a vacuum suction gripper capable of lifting up to 45 kilograms for a single box or 20 kilograms per box when picking 2 at a time. The entire unit measures 2.7 meters long by 2.1 meters wide and uses laser navigation to move and position itself autonomously. This is a fully self-contained system. Power, control electronics, conveyor, and both arms are integrated into one unit that drives straight into your container and gets to work. Jacky reviews every comment. If you are currently loading containers manually or looking at ways to reduce labor in your export packing line, I want to hear from you. What is your current loading method and how many containers do you fill per day? Share your situation in the comments below. If you found this video useful, support my work by hit the subscribe button and turn on notifications. Your support helps me keep going.